What is up everyone, it's Mr. Fantastic here and we have the latest leaks of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, including the 3D model of it via Evan Blass. I'll also link it down in the description in case you want to check it out. And we also have its release date, specs, colors, pricing and much more. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. In case you don't already know, Samsung is making a cheaper fan edition version of the Galaxy S21 just like they did last year with the Galaxy S20 FE, and they promised to do this every year with every S series phone. Now people were saying that it was cancelled and it won't be coming this year, but we recently got to see its presence in the Google Play Store listings, and we also got a few leaked photos including this promotional image pretty much confirming that it is indeed coming. And we also have got the release date of it, so it appears that it will be launched on September 8, which is next week, so that is pretty sweet. As for design, it is significantly different from last year's S20 FE. We can see from this leaked image that design is very similar to the Galaxy S21 series with the corner camera bump, but it blends into the back more and it looks like it is made from a cheaper kind of plastic, though it does have a matte finish too. And there's also an aluminum frame. And honestly speaking, I really like the design. There are triple cameras on the back. It has a 32 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel auto-wide camera and an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. There are also stereo speakers, expandable storage and IP68 water and dust resistance, but no headphone jack. As for the display of it, we have a flat display with a 32 megapixel hole punch camera. It is a 6.4 inch 1080p AMOLED 120Hz display with an in-display optical fingerprint scanner, and it looks like the bezels of it are a lot thinner than the S20 FE from last year, which is a huge plus point. Talking about the specs, we have 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of base storage, Snapdragon 888 or Exynos 2100 chipset depending on your region, and it may also have both 4G and 5G variants. We will see a 4370 mAh battery in it, which is a tad bit smaller than last year, which is a bit strange. It will also have 25 watt of fast charging, and I think that it might come with a charger out of the box. And there will be 5 colors of it, like white, green, black, violet and blue, and I think all of them will look much better in real life than in these renders, and I personally like the blue color. It is expected to come with One UI 3.1.1 based on Android 11, and it will also receive 3 years of software updates and 4 years of security updates. Lastly, it will cost $699 just like last year, which is a very competitive price point, and if Samsung also launches a 4G version of it, then it might end up around $599, but of course it would be for the regions that don't have 5G, and I think for this price it is actually a pretty nice deal. You get an awesome display, great cameras, fantastic software, and it is overall a very solid package. So if you want a near flagship experience without spending too much and you prefer Samsung phones, then this is the phone to go for. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I also made a video on the next year's Galaxy S22 leaks. Definitely check it out if you're interested. I'll link it in the description down below and here in the iCard. Thanks for watching, drop a like on this video, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. I'm doing regular videos just like this one. I'll see you guys next time, and up until then, be fantastic.